Game over, nah, the NWA chain choking, burn the rubber inside the Range Rover, chain smoking, purple haze, this ain't another one of those, this the rebirth for Trey, the rebirth for LA, the rebirth for hip hop, another memorial for Machiavelli and Big Pop. Hold up, Tim, stop. I said this another memorial for Machiavelli and Big Pop. Young homie got shit locked, public enemy, #1 Flavor Flav with a wristwatch. All black G on its all black Impala. How much get so? 3 willing to 6'4". 50 Cent, no, I'm confident most wanted when I ride with Timbo.
Hi everyone, today we are gonna present you on our YouTube channel with the carbon fiber body shop this great G55 AMG W463 G-Wagen. We had a happy customer that spoke with us with a little upgrade of exterior and interior with a great body kit. Of course, we've helped him a lot, as on our opinion. And today we're gonna show you in this windy, abandoned place to mark all the signs, to mark all the widenings, fastenings, all the brackets, all the carbon fiber, straight lining and everything, etc. So let's start. I'm gonna show you from a side this huge wide body kit, totally made with carbon fiber. This is not a fiberglass wrapped with carbon, but genuine carbon fiber. As you see, it's straight line, gray, really original, and it's lightweight. As you know, this G55 comes original without this kit. We've worked on this and tried to make it as wide as we can. I hope that we've made a gorgeous job, and this really signs your individuality on the road, among others. Wide body kit contains 23 pieces, totally made with carbon fiber. Also as front LED signs like front roof spoiler, front bumper spoiler, you see LED lights, crushing the darkness on the road with a huge beam. We've put new W463 front headlamps covers, front grille with this beige carbon fiber to have a Distronic radar sensor proper work. Also, I must contain brackets with front bumper upper trim, completely and perfectly fitting this bumper. This is AMG bumper, but our exterior tuning makes it signed. This car has 22 inches huge rims, painted in red and black with these signed caps. Yeah, of course, someone could say that this is a gypsy tuning, but we've tried to make it as original to 100%. Also, few words about this wide kit. As you see, this really has huge gaps, but also original G-Wagen has huge gaps from the manufacturer. So please don't mention about it. We've made it to match a car. This is a brutal monster, and this kit makes it louder and wider and tougher. As for rear part, we've made rear roof spoiler, also made with totally genuine carbon fiber with red signs, from newer style to an old car. For a perfect fitment, we've matched dimensions and measures of this spoiler to existing car. As for rear trunk part, you may see this new tailgate attachment. This is also from a newer model, from W463A, but fitted and perfectly in touch with this trunk for an older car, with a red sign. So anyone who is tripping behind you, of course behind, because this is an AMG version 55. This would be always among others. So he could see red signs here, here, and here, signing up your individuality also. As for rear bumper, this is AMG bumper original, and we've put here this diffuser with LED signals like here to match all the lighting behind. As for this wide body kit, I also want to point these LED lightnings when this monster drives across the road. You may see while it moving this like laser or LED lightning, really cool. We're gonna show you later in the video montage this LED lighting while moving, but now this looks great. As for these exhaust pipes tips, also you could hear this loud word while moving. Also we've put here to match all the badges, here badges LED illuminated, front hood bonnet air intake carbon fiber also. And as for front, of course, hood bonnet hood scoop. This is also made with genuine carbon fiber with badge to match a car red and black. Also all the badges made in red and black. And this hood scoop is also from newer model, matching older model.
Sweet dreams are made of this. Who am I? Disagree. Travel the world in the 7 seas. Everybody's looking for something. Sweet dreams are made of this.
So now we are located in our detailing studio, and we can show you by details what have we done and retrimmed in interior. So when I open the door, the first thing that I see, these door seals also made with aluminum. It's LED illuminated. As you can see, it's blue and red with branded shield. Really great footage is carbon insertions and black soft leather with orange stitching and red logo on it. We can also see carbon fiber interior, that's lamination, not original replacement, and all the work we do with interiors is carbon fiber overlaying over original, I mean only interior panels. As for steering wheel, We do magnificent work. We retrim it originally by parts, everything here, anatomy and geometry and all the materials. So here you can see working button power sourced panels. It also works. All the buttons work. This button power panel is from W462 S-Class, but trimmed into this G-Class to bring some luxury note into this boxy car. Also, when I stand by from interior, we replaced a ceiling into black Alcantara. You see how soft it is. Black Alcantara ceiling has been replaced instead of old one, so you can see quality.
Sweet dreams are made of this. Who am I disagree? Travel the world in the 7 seas. Everybody's looking for something. Sweet dreams are made of this. Who am I?
If you like our work, please subscribe our channel, please make comments, put your likes. If you don't like it, also put your likes. We hope for your best deals, and if you really like our projects, we gonna make it faster and more and more and more. So every day we are working on our job, on our perfect projects. We hope that our customers stay happy, and I really hope that this video was attractive for you. Tried to explain everything that matches this car, and if you have same car or wanna buy it and want somehow make it modern or more signed up among others on the road, you may always contact us by a subscription or by a contacts in the description. So put your likes, subscribe and write your comments. Stay safe.